This video should be quick and a good reminder how to sew on buttons. I'm running the double thread, because I want to work double, into the place where I want the button to go, and securing the thread 1, 2 and twice. I think that's secure enough. So as you can see, I'm working double. I've chosen a button from my button stash because not all buttons have to match, but they do have to be the same size. Come up through one hole and then back down through another. Now all the other buttons on this item have got a cross on them. I'm seeking out the underside to do the alternative cross. And it needs to be a little bit wobbly. All buttons need to be a little bit wobbly. Back down. So now I'm consistently going to seek the hole out from underneath, staying more or less in the same place. Come up to the top, cross over diagonally, and then seek out the hole again. You can see the two threads sometimes might work slightly separately. You have to keep them together. Seek out the hole underneath. So you want your threads to be staying more or less in the same place. And again, down. I like working double because you end up with fuller threads on buttons. Having done that for as many times as I want, I come out, and that's 3 or 4, I come out and wind a couple of times around the button itself to create a stem, then put the needle through the stem, then through a loop that I've created, round again, and create a loop. This sort of knots off the thread, and you're making both a stem and you're securing your thread. There, I like the loop bit. Now I take the needle to the back again, so the back of the shirt. There we are. Always aiming for the same place, and I'm going to secure it here again. It's already quite secure. And then run the thread between the 2 layers of cloth. There we are. So run it along so it doesn't appear on the front, doesn't appear on the back. Push it back slightly before I trim it, and then you don't have any threads. Magic. And remember that not all buttons have to match.